So hello everyone. I think we have done up to this where we can blink an LED. So what we are going to do in this we will be making some changes so that we can add a switch, and based on the switch value the LED will turn on or off. Okay. First open the circuit. Yes. So for that what we will need a switch. That's obvious. Here is a switch. We'll place it here and rotate it by pressing the R in your keyboard, and we will take two resistors. One will be a pull down resistor and one will be a pull up resistor. What does this mean? That pull up resistor will take the signal to the 5 volts. It will pull up the output, and pull down is the vice versa. It will pull down the output to the 0 volts. And we have to take this because of some noise can interpret in if we directly connect this to 5 volts and 0. So first we have to connect it with 5 volt, and ground we also have to connect. Okay, 5 volt is connected. Let's take black wire and connect it with ground. Make it straight. Yes, and now I will take a orange wire, and from this I will take the wire, and let's do it to pin number 7. You can choose accordingly, and let's change the code. First what we have to do, we have to make one another variable, which will be, let's say we name this switch ITCH, and the value will be 7. And after that we have to like define these as input. Okay, switch is input here, and in the loop function first we have to take a integer value. Let's name it state equals to dg, what I am doing, digital read, and what we are going to read from which pin? It is the switch pin, blue ITCH. I don't think switch will work. Let's say we name it switch but without the H, because switch is also already a function. We know in C or C++ there is a switch case function, so I don't think that we can use the switch and again define it here. So we will take switch without the H. Okay, so first we will read the state of the switch and we will save it here. Okay, and now comes the if else loop, if else part. If state is high, which means that if the switch is on state, sorry, we have to give it a semicolon here. If the switch is in on state, it should make the pin or the LED go high, which means it should turn on the LED. Okay, and else I have to delete these delay functions, and else it should turn off the pin. What how will can achieve this by how we can achieve this by digitally writing the pin low. Okay, so let's see if it works or not. Again, it's the internet connection. It will take some time. Okay. So here you can see it is connected with the ground and it's not working right now, like not lighting up. And if we turn on the switch, it's lighting up. So that's up to today, guys. Thank you for watching. We can see like this, it's working. It's up to you guys. You can make some changes and tweaks so that you might add one more switch and one more LED and do some changes in the code so that you can use one switch to control one LED and another switch to control another LED. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.